Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to class. I hope you are fine. Okay. So today we will discuss next question of the exercise 5A chapter exponent. Okay. Last two questions remain in this exercise, question number 11 and 12. Okay. So today we will discuss about the both questions 11 and 12. Okay. Clear? And I request to all, please try to solve and complete your work day by day and send to your respective teachers. Okay, students? So, now we can start solve this question number 11. Simplify. First question, what is given? 18 to the power 2 into 10 to the power 3 upon 20 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2 to the whole power 2. So, you can solve this question by two ways, two methods, either by direct by factorizations, either by you can use the laws of exponent. So first we will solve by the direct method, means in this way you can solve 18 into 18 into 10 into 10 into 10 upon 20 into 20 into 2 to the 3 to the here 3 to the power 2 to the power 2 means 3 power 4. So you can write 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. So here 0, 0 cancel out with 2 0. 3 3s are 9, 2s are 18. 3 3s are 9, 2s are 18. Again here 2 cancel out by 2, 2 cancel out by 2. So what is the answer? Only 10. Answer is 10. Okay, clear? This is the direct method. Now we can solve this by using of laws of exponent. So first we will write this in prime factorization form. 18. 3 3s are 9, 2s are 18 to the whole power 2 into 10. 2 into 5 to the whole power 3 upon, again here written 20. So how we can write 2 into 2 into 5. 2 to the 4, 5 is a 20 to the whole power 2, and here you can write 3 to the power 2. Okay, to the power 2 means 3 to the power 4. Power of power. Here we use the rule of power of power, means a to the power m to the power n, a power m, m cross n. Now here, here and here we apply the same rule. What? This is applying a cross b to the power m is equal to a power m into b power m. Use this rule in all three steps, here, here and here. Okay? So apply here 3 to the power 2, 3 to the power 2, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 5 to the power 3 upon here 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 2, 5 to the power 2, and here 3 to the power 4. Okay? So again you can cancel this 3 power 2, 3 power 2 by 3 power 4. Okay? And here 2 power 2 cancel by 2 power 2. Okay? But here 2 power 3 and here 5 power 3. It will not cancel with these two terms. Okay? So what we will do here? See, 2 power 3. It means 2 into 2 into 2, 5 into 5 into 5, and here we will write. Okay? Here we will write 2 into 2, 5 into 5. So 5, 5 cancel out. Here 2, 2 cancel out. So what is remain here? 2 into 5. So answer is 10. So you can solve this by using the laws of exponent, either by direct. Okay, students. Now we proceed to the next question. Here, next question, third one of 11, question number 11, third part. Okay. So again you can solve this by two methods, by direct, either by using laws of exponent. Okay. So either by direct method, you can just expand this, then solve, either by using the laws of exponent. As you wish, जिससे आपकी इच्छा हो यू कैन सॉल्व, उस मेथड से कर सकते हैं, या इसको एक्सपेंड करके, या यू कैन यूज लॉज ऑफ एक्सपेंड. So I will solve by using laws of exponent. Here given 12, so write its prime factorization. 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12 to the power 3. 3 5s are 15 to the power 2, 20. 2 2s are 4, 5s are 20 to the whole power 3. And here 3 2s are 6 to the whole power 4. And here 2 5s are 10. to the whole power 4. Here 2 to the 2 power 2. Okay, clear? Now again here we use this rule, apply this rule. Okay, laws of exponent. A cross b to the power m then is equal to a power m into b power m. Okay, so apply here students. What? Apply here the rule. 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3, 3 to the power 3, 3 to the power 2, 5 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3, 5 to the power 3. Now here 3 to the power 4, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 4, 5 to the power 4, 2 to the power 2. Clear? So here 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 4, but here 2 to the power 3, 3, 3. So you can just now use this rule. 8 power m into 8 power m. 8 power m plus n. M plus n. Use this rule. Okay, here. So 2 power 3, 2 power 3, then 2 power 3, 2 power 3. 3, 3, 3, 3. 2 power 12. 2 power 12. Okay, now 3 power 3, any more? 3 power 2. No more. Okay. So here 3 power 3, 3 power 2, 3 power 5, 3 power 5. Okay. Now here 5 power 2, 5 power 3, 5 power 5. Now here 3 power 4, no more. So 3 power 4. 2 power 4, 2 power 4, 2 power 2, 2 power 10 and 5 power 4. Now apply here 8 power n divided by 8 power n. 8 power n minus n. This rule you will apply here. So you will get here what? See what you will get? 2 power 12 upon 2 power 10, 3 power 5 upon 3 power 4, 5 power 5 upon 5 power 4. So apply here 2 power 12 minus 10 into 3 power 5 minus 4 into 5 power 5 minus 4. Okay, so again apply here 2 to power 2, 3 to power 1, 5 power 1. Now you can expand this. You can expand this 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 12, 12 5 the 16. 12 5 the 60. Okay, so in this way you can solve this question. Okay, by using the laws of exponent. Clear? Okay, now we will proceed to the next question. Question number 12. Number 12. Okay, what? Write each of the following. Okay, either it is square or the cube of a natural number. Again here we will discuss two questions. Okay, first and fifth. So first question is given what? 144. So write this what? As a square or a cube of a natural number. Square or a cube of a natural number. So first we will write or find its prime factorization. 144. We will start dividing by 2. इसको हम 2 से डिवाइड करना स्टार्ट करेंगे. ओके, सो 2 7 जा 14, 2 2 जा 4. नाउ 2 3 जा 6, 2 6 जा 12. नाउ 2 1 जा 2. Okay, then here 12. Here 2 8 जा 16. Now again 2 9 जा 18. Then 3. Then 1. So right here 1 2 3 4. 2 3 4 and 3 into 3. So we have to write this square or what? Q of a number. So here cube not possible, square is possible. How? 2 to the 4, 3 is 12. 2 to the 4, 3 is 12 square. Okay, here 2, 2, 2, here 2 into 2, 2 times, and here 3, 2 times. Okay, so you can write this 12 square. Okay, let's friends. Then last question, we will proceed. Last one of this question, 12. What is given? Fifth part, 4096. 4096. So see here, first we will find their prime factorization using Dewey method. Okay, इसको divide करके पहले क्या करेंगे, इसका prime factorization निकालेंगे, then we will find the square or a cube. So 4096. Start by 2. 2 2s are 4, 0, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16. Now again, 2 1s are 2, 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Now again, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 is 4. Now again, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. Now again, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8. Now 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 4. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 2 6s are 12. Okay, now 2 8s are 16. Once more, 2 4s are 8. Now here I will divide 4 now. 2 2s are 4, then again 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. So how many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, so 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Okay, so how we can write this as a square of a number or cube of a number? How many 2's are there? 12 2's are there, na? 12 2's are there. So we can divide this 6 in part. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 to the whole square. So it will be what? 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32 to the 64. 64. So you can write this 64 square. Square of a number. And how we can convert this in form of cube? So we will make a pair of 3 3. Okay. So here cube 1 times which number? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So 4 3s are 12. 4 4 2's will get together. 4 4 2's will get together. So it means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 to the whole cube. और हमको इसका क्यूब बनाना है, क्या करेंगे? इन सारे टूल्स में से 4 4 टूल्स लेंगे टुगेदर, दे विल मेक ए क्यूब. सो व्हाट द वैल्यू? 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. 8 to the 16. So here you will get 16 cube. What you will get? 16 cube. Okay. So how you find the given number as a square of another number or a cube? First we have to find their prime factorization. हमने क्या किया? पहले यहाँ पे इसका प्राइम फ्रैक्शन फाइंड किया, फिर उस प्राइम फ्रैक्शन से मैंने क्या किया? पेयर बनाया, आइदर 2 का और 3 का. ओके, सो मैंने 2 नंबर्स को लिया, 2 डिजिट को 6 टाइम्स लिया, तो ये स्क्वायर फॉर्म हो गया यहाँ पे. ओके, स्क्वायर ऑफ नंबर मींस 64. फिर 2 नंबर्स को मैंने 4 टाइम्स यहाँ पे लिया. ओके, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, तो क्या फॉर्म हो गया? क्यूब फॉर्म हुआ इसका 16. Okay, students, clear? So students, in this way you will solve the complete exercise 5A. Okay, and complete it kindly and just send to your respective teachers. Okay students, thank you, have a nice day.